Sabadi. So I was sitting here and I just realized that it is my 1 year. Oh, I look crazy right now. I was ready for bed and I realized that it is my 1 year anniversary in Laos. I traveled the world for 1 year, around the world, from Africa to Europe to Asia to the Middle East. And then I came to Laos. I'm happy. 1 year in Laos. Hello there. Okay, hello, Sabadi. So I was just sitting here on my bed and I look crazy right now. Whatever. Okay. And I'm gonna go to Nang Kiao and I'm gonna do little videos in Nang Kiao. There's this really big hike viewpoint that I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, I have asthma. I'm gonna figure out how to drag myself up this mountain to get good content. I should do a video like what I travel with as a traveler, or like what's in my suitcase, but nobody's like, who's watching any suitcase video of the pandemic, you know, like nobody's packing any suitcase. Well, here I am in Laos packing my suitcase. They look like a lot of clothes, but actually I don't have anything proper, but I'm just really tall. I'm just really tall, and so like literally any short I have to wear, like imagine how long it has to be just for it not to be really short. So I don't know, sometimes like nobody's really wearing like shorts and tank tops here. I mean, yeah, like the little small Asian girls, they always have shorts and tank tops and stuff like that, but you don't really see because they're covered in like a North Face jacket because they don't want to get dark. So like basically like everybody has like long sleeves on and coats and turtlenecks and gloves. And me, like, I'm not wearing a freaking turtleneck, jacket, gloves, coat, and like already I'm freaking hot and I just turned off the fan just to make this video. But I can dress conservative though, so dressing conservative for my body type would just be like pants. I can just put a pair of pants on, but I don't have any pants. That's a problem. So I mean, yeah, anyway, I like, it looks like I have a lot of clothes, but I, like, yeah, as I'm trying to say is that they're like not practical. Anyway, did you guys see that post on Instagram? It's like you've been packing your suitcase wrong the entire time. Apparently you're supposed to just like do like this and like layer. So I'm gonna try that out because I've traveled like 30 countries and I never packed a suitcase like that, but it makes so much sense. So like, yeah. Why do we try to fit everything in horizontally when we could do it vertically? You know? Okay, I talk too much. Here's the view from my... So beautiful. I'm gonna miss this place. Here's my flowers that I tried to water, but they just turned green and moldy, actually. That's very sad. I thought I can bring it back to life, but I can't. Okay, I have to pack.